Hello YouTube. So for Christmas I got some spotlights for my motorbike. I can't wait to fit these. So I've gone on Alchemy Parts on the internet and I've got myself a wiring loom. This comes with the relay, the switch, live feed, everything. So 25 quid, bargain. So what I've done to the bike, I've just removed the panels to reveal all the areas to get underneath, and I've lifted the fuel tank. I've only chocked it up. I didn't want to really move the fuel lines, so then I can get underneath, put all the cables through, make it look nice. So at the front, back here where the battery is, I've got the cables for the batteries underneath all the fuel tank. I've got the relay at the front, which will be going underneath the fuel tank, nice and hidden, and I'll put all the cables through for the spotlights here. Just the other side, I've got the switch, which will be going on the handlebars, and this is then the live feed, which will be snapping on to one of my cables at the front, which I've removed this panel here, and that will be going on to the indicator circuit. I've chosen the indicator circuit over the headlight circuit just in case anything did go wrong. We still got a functional bike, as we can wave instead of indicating. Alright, I'll show you what it all looks like at the end, guys, and hopefully it's going to be a nice little upgrade. Okay, so I've just finished putting all the bike back together. It looks awesome. The install itself didn't really find overly difficult. It's just getting the cable in, making it look all nice, and sort of lifting the fuel tanks and that sort of stuff. But apart from that, it looks awesome. So I'll just show you around. So yeah, a couple of things I would recommend. Definitely use some Loctite on the brackets for the spotlights, just so they don't vibrate loose, which happened to my mates. But apart from that, straightforward. Any questions, let us know, and all the best. Thanks for watching. Cheers, bye bye.